Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Notion databases with access controls for Teams, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your Notion databases with access controls for Teams, open the Notion app on your device. Locate the database you wish to update. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the database page. Select Share from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Share settings, find the Invite section. Here, you can add team members or groups by typing their names or email addresses. Set the permissions for each member or group by choosing from the drop-down options. You can select full access, can edit, can comment, or can view based on their required access level. For more granular control, you may want to set access on specific pages within the database. Return to your database and identify the specific pages that need adjusted access. Click on the three dots for individual pages and select Share again. Adjust permissions for those pages similarly to how you adjusted the main database. Additionally, you can set specific access controls for database properties. Open the database and click on a property name in the top row. Choose Property Type Settings, and then locate the Permissions section. Here, you can restrict who can view or edit this property within the database. After finishing your adjustments, review the access settings for each team member or group. Make sure all settings align with your team's collaboration needs. Once everything is confirmed, close the Share Settings window. Your updates are now live, and your team will have the appropriate levels of access to the Notion database. Remember to communicate any changes in access rights with your team members for clarity. With these steps, your Notion databases will support seamless collaboration while maintaining security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.